Hey guys, what is up? How you doing? Yeah, it's been a while since I've made a YouTube video. And I'm gonna talk about the reason why I haven't been making one. But, yeah, but that's gonna be another video. This video today is May 6th, 2018. And this is gonna be a review of my LG 5000 LG 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner that I've had for about 2 years now, and I'm gonna show you right now. There it is. I don't know if you can see this because I'm using my front camera on my phone right now. It's not good, but whatever. There it is right there. I just taped the cord up out of this fan over here and stuff. But yeah, it's in my window. I have these little things on the side. I have a blanket over my my window, because in the morning the sun comes up, it shines, and yeah, I just want to be able to sleep in a bit. And this is for blocking off the air. But yeah, whatever. This is 5000 BTU, and I'm gonna show you the side right here. The side this uses R410A refrigerant, 10.1 ounces, 5000 BTU. Yeah, and it has like a two-way air deflector thing right there, if you can see it. There, as you point toward me. This is a filter. I do clean this out regularly. But yeah, this is a temperature control right here. I don't know how well you can see that. There's a temperature control. It goes from 1 to max cool, which is 9, I guess. There's max cool. There's 1, and if you go all the way down, straight up, it goes to only fan. Keep that in the middle. And I keep on the energy saver that it's on right now. It's off. It's on. And I keep it on low fan, and I'm gonna do a startup of it right now. Hold on. And as you can see, once I turn on, the compressor kicked on. The compressor's off right now. This is low fan. It's low fan right now. It's blowing pretty good. This is low fan, and this is high fan. It blows pretty well. Yeah. Easy have it on about between 4.5. But yeah, there it is. Yeah. So if you don't know, it's daylight, but I'll turn this off right now. But it's daylight. But a couple months ago, the people that bought the property that we live on, they painted our house, and they painted the outside of these things. It's like a dark purple type color. But I like it because the sun these used to be white and the sun used to come through, but now it's like all shaded and stuff. There's some holes in it where the sun comes through, but it's all shaded. And yeah, over here too. Yeah, but yeah, this is a 2-year update on my LG 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. This was bought in the summer of 2016. It was like towards the end of July 2016, and my dad bought it. It was like the cheapest one they could find at the time. It was around like $120. There's a price. It's around $120. It works very well. But since my room's pretty small, this air conditioner only works up to certain size rooms, and that is from 100 square feet to 150 square feet. I don't know how big my room, but it is about 100. It's in the range of 100 to 150 square feet. So yeah, works good. Yeah, this is my review on the LG 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner, and this is a 2-year update. Well, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you next time.